Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Let's start with base template. Put background to this purple. If we use a conic gradient, this blue. No, actually, we want the white. And if we make this at 8140, which is 60 pixels. $30 to 71, 240. Then we do 0 and divide it by 2. Okay, there's slightly less gap than that. About 180. That looks like the right sort of gap. Now we'll shift it across by 60 pixels. Is that making that 80? And then we'll shift it down by 30 pixels. That gets those two white lines in place. Now, actually, if we use a star, basically make our own nested template here. We can use a background of this blue temporarily. That's some margins of 50 and 60. Those look correct. Then we change this to being another conic gradient. That's also going to be at 60 pixels, but its height is going to be 80 to 20, 140. And then it wants this color. And then it wants the off-white. Actually, we can just make that transparent just to be shorter. Then if we shift it, 20 pixels in and 30 pixels down. Good. And then make it 180 pixels across again. Yeah. That should be 100%. Now, could we make this sure? If we do -y, 40 pixels. Y. Actually make this a star. Then the only other thing that changes is this. We'll make that var O. Set that like that instead. And then we can just do and then we also need to change this color. We do var C. Let's just make this C this blue. Now we minify and we unit replace. Is there anything else we can squidge out of here? That space probably isn't needed. That space probably isn't needed. I don't think I'm going to get any better than that. So that's where I'm going to leave it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.